Yes, I get it. Modern graphics cards are fat, but thankfully MSI just released the RTX 4070 Super Gaming X Slim, which right now can be all yours for just $50 over the MSRP of the reference model. So what exactly do you get for those extra $50 apart from the difference in size? Well, performance for one, with a maximum boost clock of 2640 MHz, or an increase of roughly 7% over the Founders Edition. That is pretty generous compared to the Asus TUF RTX 4070 Super, which we covered last time with its mere 4% increase. And don't worry, even though it is a slim card, it's still big enough to handle all that extra performance. It is still significantly longer, wider and taller than a reference edition 4070 Super, and lengthwise especially, was actually one of the longest third-party RTX 4070 Supers on the market right now, to compensate for it being just 2 slots. And then moving round back to the video outputs, well, still unfortunately we do only have a single HDMI port on here, which is still completely unacceptable in 2024, but like, I'm pretty sure I'm the only person who cares anymore. Though thankfully, unlike with Asus where some genius put the HDMI port awkwardly in the middle of all the video outputs, here it's on the edge, so when you're kind of blindly looking around the back of your PC, you can easily identify it. So overall, what do you get for those $50 extra? Well, if space is a constraint for you, then of course you are getting a dual slot card here, which is becoming rarer and rarer, and you have a card that it looks decent enough with the now trademark MSI look, with a minimal yet tasteful amount of RGB. Plus, it's also available in white and Weeb color variants. Pretty much everything I can complain about looks-wise, apart from it just being a bit boring, is the fact that because it's so long, the 16-pin power connector is kind of awkwardly in the middle of the whole thing, which just kind of looks a bit weird. But still, if you want to get it yourself, then the links to it will be up in the iCards and down in the video description below, where you'll also find our Patreon, because even a single $1 month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Balash Roka, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.